Hi, my name is Jaden and welcome back to my channel. Right now, we're here at the Man Across the Ages Museum in Nizwa, which is really far because it's like 2 hours from our home. But they look red. People winking. Very hard.
Pala yung sa hari. Sultan.
History.
Si Sultan.
Very good.
Sultan Kabus, 2015 pa.
Oh,
2015.
Sultan Qaboos car.
Oh, red.
Parang ito yung ano,
Big animal no, makadati. No?
No, I think this is smaller.
You see, they have Omanitherium skeleton.
Jaden.
Eroded from limestone. Nice. Look, 181 meters so down. No?
Majlis Al-Jin.
Coral shape. Dio, Grana, Sis.
Alhambra. Di sa may ano, may PDO, no?
Look, how they perform, how they the rules. See the doctor there, well, the doctor there. Oh.
Medyo mga bahaba to.
Welcome, archaeologist.
Knowledge guys. Tapos sasabi niyo dito. Wow!
Tapos lalagyan niya ng ano.
Yan, sa tanong brush. Sa ancient burial sites daw, kunyari ito, may fish. So, hindi nila alam kung meal or something. Pero yung turtle, may symbolic importance daw. Sushas. Pag, pag binibury daw, laging may sea turtle head, tapos may parang corals. So, ayun yung nakikita mo dyan.
Isa blower.
Head back. Head back. bracelet. Tapos may earrings yung both men and women. Tapos,
Asan yung turtle head?
1, 2, 3.
Three.
Tapos, meron doon fish bones. May mga corals around. And then, may earrings siya sa gilid.
Ayan.
And then,
May necklace na sa may ulo.
yeah. Ito yung bracelet niya, yung parang square.
So, ito palang kulay brown natin. Ito yung malalaki yun. Ayan. Turtle head.
May cultural significance doon. Tapos may mga seashells na pinala.
Alexing laki na rin yung turtle head. Ano?
Dahil daw binary siya with the species, there's a possibility na like age 25.
Shapen and eye and add eyelets. Tapos may braille.
Nakita mo yung parang wheelchair elevator nila doon sa entrance. Tandaan lang.
Ayan na, sige na doon.
This. Oh. What's this? What's this? What's this?
Explore the Omani rock art.
What's this?
Hasat bin salt.
May camera.
Ito mga animals. Ito,
Hindi ko pa nababasa to. Alam ko ng camera. Yung camel shape.
ito dalawang tao. Mas kita sa video kasi sa ano.
Sorry,
Yan o. Taong mataba. Ito, ang taba ng para. Flat-footed. Ito,
Circles.
the circles. Ito, ano to?
Human figure holding weapon and ladders.
Ito,
Horseman, yeah. Ano? Leopard footprint.
leopard. Ito, snake. Water.
Wavy line. Possible. Ay, representation of a snake.
See, I told you.
Archaeologist.
Archaeologist in me.